Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you guys how you can add Instagram link to your YouTube video description. So at first you upload the file that you want to. We click on open, and as you can see, this is your description. So you can put in my Insta link and then colon like this. This is not mandatory, but it's just for the beauty. After that, you head over to whatever your Instagram profile link is, and if you're on the, I suggest you to go to the Google and head over to your profile, and at the top you'll see this is your link. So you copy it and you just paste it right over here, and then it says to make external links clickable, you have to complete a one-time verification. So you need to click on next and then verify. And once you do it, YouTube will allow you to put a clickable link. And there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.